Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of how it works. Today I'm going to show you how to set up JDownloader in Ultra Seedbox or any Seedbox. So you can follow these steps and set up a JDownloader to download non-torrent files, that is maybe from your drive or any other download links. You copy the links and it downloads for you. So I think it does torrents too. So I will show you some examples and how to set it up and how to copy any link and download it. So let's dive into the video. I'm on my Ultra Seedbox, so this is how I see it. Once I hit show info, I can go and hit connect. JDownloader will ask you for a password. Remember, this is not your Seedbox password. It will give you a unique password. You can click on the eye icon on next to the password. It will reveal the password, and copy that, paste it here. This is how your JDownloader looks. The first thing I want to do is click on my JDownloader. Since I have account in there, I'll just go ahead and type in so that I can sync it on my phone and see how my download speeds are, how it's downloading and everything. And I'll name it as Seedbox. You can name it anything. So great, connection established, and current connections are 0 because I'm not looking at my mobile device to see what I'm downloading. So this is how it looks for you. The first thing I'll be doing is going into the settings. You don't need to change much of the settings. I'll probably use 6 simultaneous downloads because I have a good server and it has good download speeds. So the good part about JDownloader is it unzips the files for you. But make sure you download it from legit sites. You don't want to get virus into your server. So I would leave the suggestions. Remove finished downloads never. Yeah, that's what I would choose. If the file already exists, ask for each file. These are all regular options. I won't worry much about them. Connection manager and everything. You can play around with it. This is the major part I want to show you. So this is how you do it. You want to add your Google Drive account in here so that it connects to it and it downloads. So I'll click on add and look for drive.google. So you see this here, when it says name, you need to enter your whatever your Google login details are. Just the email. In the password, this is where it gets tricky. So you need to have an extension called EditThisCookie. So it is a Chrome extension. You can also have it in Microsoft Edge browser or Opera. So I'll go here. Once I install that, I'll leave the link in description for this EditThisCookie. Once I install the extension, I'll go to Google Drive. First thing I'll check is that the actual Google Drive I want to be in. I know people use multiple emails, so make sure you are in the right Google Drive. Click on the extension icon on the top and then click on this arrow. Your cookie is being copied. Now go back to JDownloader. Inside the pass, just paste. It won't let you paste here. This is the tricky part too. If you are using web, you cannot directly paste anything into the JDownloader. You need to use clipboard on top. Click on that, paste whatever you copied, hit on submit. And now when you right click on the path, you'll see a paste option. Paste it, hit save. Now I have a verified Google account. When I copy that and paste it here, when I copy my Google Drive links and paste them here, it should download. Let me select this random movie. I'm going to blur out all my details, so, or let me go into 4K movies folder. So, yeah. You'll get different options. I would suggest keep anyone with the link and make it editor so that you can download it. Once you make the changes, you can copy that link. Go into JDownloader. As I said, go to clipboard, delete whatever is there, paste it, and hit on submit. It will automatically grab it. You see it already took, and so it takes a default folder called output. You can change it by hitting browse. Once you select whichever folder you want it to be, you can even name it differently. Once that's all done, you can hit start all downloads. It starts downloading. Usually it downloads pretty quick based on your server or whatever your internet connection is. I'm getting a good 74 or 50, somewhere around 60. So that's how you set up JDownloader, guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions related to JDownloader. I'll try to help. Also, look at my channel. I have updated multiple videos regarding Sonar, how to use Jacket, and how to download stuff. So that would help you a lot. And I'll also make more videos about how to set up few things and how different things work. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get all the updates. Hope you guys like this video. Keep following me. Thank you. Have a good day.